Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong reading for the second half of 2024. So this is July to December 2024. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see the overall energy ng mga Pisces. Okay, you have Temperance, healing from your past, physical healing, being in moderation. So I think kung medyo alam nyo na naging unhealthy kayo nung mga nakaraang buwan, maaring ngayong second half ng 2024, mas magfo-focus ka sa healthy living, no? Kung halimbawa, medyo sa tingin mo hindi ka na masyadong nakakakilos ng malaya, no? Dahil medyo mabigat na mabigat na yung kumbaga hindi ka na ganoon ka-flexible. So maaring you will do something na maagapan yan para hindi na siya maging serious na health condition in the future. So kumbaga, you will be more fit and healthy ngayong second half ng 2024. Maaring mag-enroll ka sa gym, meron kang, i-monitor mo na yung iyong diet, things like that. So more on healthy living ka ngayong second half ng 2024. I also see you na yung kumbaga parang hindi mo na masyadong isusubsob yung sarili mo sa trabaho, sa stress. So kumbaga parang mas magiging chill ka ngayong second half ng 2024. Hindi mo na hayaan na maapektuhan ka ng ibang tao, ng issue ng ibang tao. I feel like you want peace of mind. So let's see your possible challenge. You have the Moon. So, ang isa sa challenge mo is yung emotions mo. Kasi maaring may mga pagkakataon na hindi ka, may mga pagkakataon na madali kang maapektuhan ng emosyon mo. Like, for example, kapag galit ka, maaring makapagsalita ka ng mga bagay na hindi mo naman talaga minimin, tapos makasakit ka ng damdamin ng iba. So, you have to be careful in managing your emotions. Lalo na rin sa trabaho, para hindi rin maapektuhan yung trabaho sa paligid mo, na hindi porket na-stress ka sa trabaho na yan, magre-resign ka na, or may mga tatalikuran ka ng mga responsibilities, okay? And also, this is about your instinct, your intuition. May mga times na nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo kung totoo ba yung pakiramdam mo, totoo ba yung mga naiisip mo. Kasi minsan nakakagulo yan sa pagdedesisyon natin. No? So, trust your gut. Trust your intuition. Kasi hindi ka naman, ipapahamak. Let's see your opportunity. You have the King of Pentacles. So, you have the opportunity to stabilize your finances. So, meron ding leadership role sa'yo sa trabaho, sa business. There's also some sort of a celebration about a project na na-accomplish mo na. And maaari rin meron kang mga taong matutulungan sa trabaho, sa business mo, or sa kung ano man tong ginagawa mo. What you do for a living, no? I also see you becoming more careful sa iyong pagmamanage ng pera. Kasi para sa'yo, mas gusto mo na maging financially stable ka. At para magawa mo yan, kailangan alam mo kung paano mag-manage ng cash flow mo. So, your blessing is the Ace of Swords. So, merong magandang idea na maiisip ka para mas mapaunlad yung sarili mo. Pwedeng meron kang creative idea sa business or sa trabaho mo, meron kang mga bagong maiisip na ideas that will help you reach your goals sa workplace. Yung iba, meron ding good news na marireceive. Ayan. Tignan natin in what area of life yung good news na yan. Fourth house, tungkol sa family, home life. So, kung ikaw ay pwedeng naglo-loan ka sa bank ng housing loan, So, merong good news ngayong second half ng 2024. Maaring ma-approve ka dyan. Or merong magandang balita ang family members mo. So, we will clarify what is temperance. Okay. You have the death card. Oh, transformation. Oh my God. Major transformation, Pisces. It makes sense kasi Saturn is in Pisces. Ang Saturn kasi is restriction, structure, discipline. So, I think meron ka ng realizations of the things na kailangan mong isaayos sa buhay mo. No? So, ngayong second half ng 2024, na-realize mo na you still have 6 months no, to work things out, ayusin yung buhay mo, yung health mo, yung work mo, yung career mo. And dahil doon, no, since meron kang ayusin, this is going to bring a rebirth. This is a brand new you. So, major transformation yan. 'Di ba? So, example, no, naging health conscious ka. Siyempre, it will show to your body. Makikita talaga nila na malaki yung pagbabago sa'yo, yung transformation na yan. It's like a brand new you. What is the moon? You have the Hanged Man. Ako, ang isa sa magiging challenge nyo rito is yung hindi kayo sigurado sa mga decisions ninyo. Kaya nga, pinapayuhan na you connect more to your higher self, try to meditate, kahit mga halimbawa, 5 minutes a day, yan, simulan mo yung meditation 5 minutes a day, it will help you clear out yung cloudiness sa isip nyo, sa utak nyo, na minsan kasi parang, hindi ka talaga clear mag-isip, hindi mo alam kung ano yung gusto mo, undecided ka. So, that's your challenge, to be more connected to your higher self. Kasi kung mas connected ka dyan sa higher self mo, it's easier, mas madali na makapag-decide, no, which path to take, ano yung dapat gawin. What is the King of Pentacles? You have the 10 of Pentacles. Wow. Wow, okay. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is stability in your finances. You have the opportunity na maging stable yung iyong kaperahan, yung cash flow mo, and this is having more than enough, no? Oo. Mas marami pa sa inaasahan mo. Mas higit pa sa inaasahan mo yung darating sa'yo. And inheritance din yan. So, yung iba, maaring kung meron kayong kailangan mong asikasuhin related sa mga mana ninyo from your parents, grandparents, ayan, maaayos nyo na. What is the Ace of Swords? You have the Four of Wands. So, stability in your home life, in your family life. Yung iba, ang isa sa blessing nyo is makakabili na kayong sarili nyong bahay, ma-approve yung housing loan nyo, merong celebration within the family, merong mga achievements, yung family members ninyo. So, let's see naman yung inyong money, career, finances. July to December 2024, money, career, finances. Oh, enterprise, magbi-business kayo. It's time to get into business. You are ready to take the challenge and be your own boss. Oh, yung mga wala pang business dyan at gusto nyo magnegosyo. So, ngayon, from July to December, may opportunities na mag-open up for you para makapagsimula ka ng sarili mong negosyo. And also, yung iba, meron kayong talents in teaching others, being a mentor, being a coach. Pwedeng yan yung isa sa gagawin yung business. Magtatayo kayo ng school, learning center, or gagawa kayo ng mga courses online na pwedeng maging source ng passive income. Oh, this is going to be very successful. So, pagdating sa finances nyo, trabaho, business, career, there's success. Oo, triumph. Ito yung success na talagang bunga ng pinaghirapan mo, bunga ng mga sacrifices mo. Bunga ng mga investments mo. So, some of you, if you are also engaged in investments, stock market, crypto, things like that, no, mga bonds, ayan, makikita nyo na yung resulta niyan second half ng 2024. Maganda ang epekto sa inyong finances, sa inyong kaperahan. So, sa love life and family ng mga Pisces, let us see. Pisces. Honeymoon, okay, may honeymoon. Baka kayo ay lalabas with your loved ones and romantic partner. Pupunta kayo sa beach, sa Boracay, magbabakasyon kayo out of country. Yan, oh, abundance. Mukhang maganda ang kitaan ngayong second half ng 2024. Pwedeng yung partner mo, naging maganda yung kanyang income or ikaw, tapos you're going to celebrate together with your romantic partner. Pwede rin within the family. Oh my God, with the star. There is a wish fulfillment. Oo, meron kayong ma-achieve na goals ng iyong person together. So, maring iba, meron kayong gustong biling bahay, sasakyan, properties, ma-achieve nyo yan. Page of Wands. Very exciting ang inyong relationship. May good news, more on travel, spending more time together with your loved ones. Bonding moment. Adventure time para sa inyo. And yung iba naman, this is also healing from your past. So, kung ano man yung mga naging issues nyo with your loved ones, family, you're trying to fix that, inaayos nyo. Tapos, isa sa paraan para maayos yan is mas nagbabanding kayo ngayon sa pamamagitan ng pagta-travel. You have Mars and Libra in the 7th house. So, meron kang decision making. Meron kang, pwedeng sa partnership to, relationship. Maaring pareho kayo kailangang mag-decide for, let's say, a business, major decision ninyong mag-partner, pwedeng romantic, pwedeng business. You have the Sun in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So definitely a lot of learning, expansion ng iyong interest, travel opportunities for you. Ang ganda naman. Rewarding to para sa inyo, Pisces, para sa mga pinaghirapan ninyo, mga sacrifices ninyo. It's all worth it. Major decision. Pero sabi dito, sometimes the best decision is no decision at all. So, only decide when you are ready, when you are sure about your decision. And isa rin sa paraan para makapag-decide ka ng best for you is to tap into your instinct, to your intuition. Ano yung sinasabi ng gut feel mo, ng kutob mo? Yun ang i-follow mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!